Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to create cinematic AI videos with VEO3. And we'll be using a JSON prompt to make sure our instructions are crystal clear. And trust me, this is going to level up your results. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your Gemini AI. We're going to ask Gemini to generate a structured JSON prompt for us. And now, why JSONs? Why we use JSONs from? It because unlike a free text prompt, JSONs prompt lets you define every part of your request in an organized way. So VO3 will know exactly what kinds of video that you want. And for this tutorial, I will make things easier by using a gem that I have already created called the VEO3 JSONs prompt maker like this. And if you don't know how to build these gems yet, don't worry, I have made a full tutorial before. Just click the link in the description. Now let's open the gems like this. And here's just simply type a request like this. Create a JSON prompt for Google VEO3. And then just type your idea. Just describe the idea of your video. And then just hit enter. And then Gemini will give you a structured JSON prompt based on that request like this. And once we have the JSON prompt, the next step is simple. Just copy the prompt and then just head over to the Google Flow like this. And then just choose text to video and then just paste your prompt in here like this. And then just choose your model. Choose your model and then choose your output. And then after that, just click on generate. And okay, let's play the video.
Some journeys are not about the destination, but about the path you walk to get there.
Like this, and just like that, you will have a professional cinematic AI video that ready to use. And okay, that's it. Super easy, right? With VEO3 and JSON prompting, you can create studio quality cinematic video in just a minute. Okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you!